Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Inventory every endpoint and its consumers so you know the attack surface. Once done, enforce HTTPS everywhere and move keys into a secrets vault to prevent accidental leaks. Make sure to create a minimal, clear threat model that lists assets, likely attackers, and acceptable risk. This guides priority. You'll act faster when you know what to protect and why each control matters. So document decisions and align them with development owners now. You now implement authentication and granular access control so only authorized actors can act. Start with a proven auth protocol like OAuth2 and issue short-lived JWTs. Add PKCE for public clients to reduce token theft risk. Then apply least privilege via RBAC or ABAC, mapping roles and scopes to concrete API actions. Make sure every request validates token signature, issuer, audience, and expiration. Add replay protection. Explaining why, tight auth reduces blast. You finish by hardening, instrumenting, and preparing to fix problems. Apply strict input validation and output sanitization. Enable rate limits and WAF rules to block common attacks. These reduce exploitation paths. Then enable detailed audit logs and anomaly detection so alerts point to real incidents. Tie alerts to runbooks that tell responders exactly what to do. If something goes wrong, immediately rotate keys, patch affected endpoints, and shift traffic to safe instances. Troubleshooting tip: if alerts flood, throttle alerts and focus on root cause signals first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.